Hey there, welcome to How to Crypto. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to log into Electrum Bitcoin Wallet on your phone. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. In order to log into your Electrum Bitcoin Wallet account, all you need to do is open the Electrum Wallet app. Now it will ask you to enter your password. Enter your password. If you want to see your password, then click on I icon. After entering your password, click on Next button. So, guys, this is how you log into Electrum Bitcoin Wallet on your phone. You don't need any other information to log into your Electrum Wallet account. This might be one of the easiest wallet to log in. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.